Amanda here. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm here to announce a special masterclass that I am going to be doing over on my Ko-fi. Now, this video really is to make sure that all of my members who subscribe to me monthly have seen this masterclass announcement. If you're not a member, you are more than welcome to come and join the membership. It's just £3 a month, and you get access to it's not even about a monthly collection now. You get access to everything. And I'm doing private videos over there starting midweek this week, and then every Saturday until the project's done. And what we're going to make, it's going to be a masterclass. We're going to make a big book of ideas. So we're going to be adding things like the ephemera that I share with you. So I'm going to be coming up with other ideas, things that I've done before, but also other ideas that I will only be sharing within that masterclass. So it will be embellishments, it will be pockets, it will be flips, and it will be a non-theme specific journal, so you can use whatever you want. You don't need any special papers, it doesn't have to coordinate. It will be very liberating and very freeing, okay, to create something that's not necessarily, things don't have to coordinate. That could go alongside that. It doesn't have to coordinate. And the idea that, you know, we'll use whatever we've got to make the page bases. And so then we add the whatever we're doing in that video, be it an embellishment or a pocket or a flip, and you can write. We'll leave writing space, and you can write what it is, maybe the measurements, you know, the concept of the idea. And what we'll have at the end, and I'm hoping it's going to end up quite chunky, is a journal making manual full of ideas of embellishments, pockets, flips, tucks, you name it. We'll do it. Okay, so then at the end what you'll have is a big chunky reference book, so that if you're stuck for ideas when you're making your journals, you don't need to trawl through YouTube or Pinterest or Instagram looking for ideas. You're gonna have your own journal making manual full of ideas to refer to and go, oh yes, I like that one, I'll make that. Okay, so you'll be able to flip through. By the time we've done it, it's probably going to take, you know, it might run, because I'm doing the classes every Saturday, to break it up so it's not all too much information all at once. This could run over a couple of months. I don't know, we'll see. So we'll be using ideas that I've made before, and also, you know, ideas that maybe I'll come up with, because I like to get my papers out, and whatever happens, so I'll quite often make things up as I go along. Now, my members only videos are, the bonus of them is they are all ad-free. They are YouTube based, but they are unlisted private videos with no adverts. They can be longer and a bit more chatty, but that's because I structure those videos as if you're crafting in my craft room with me, or we're at a crafty hop together, or a crafty class. So they're a little bit more relaxed. I'm more relaxed because I don't feel like I'm under pressure to do something in a certain time. You're going to learn a heap because I craft in real time. If I make any mistakes, I'll show you how to get out of those mistakes. I share every process, how my mind works when I'm making things, and so then you can then go on and you'll think, oh right, I remember Amanda doing this, I'll have a go as well. It will give you inspiration, it will encourage you as well. You will be inspired and encouraged to go about making things your own way, okay? Because that's what you naturally do. After you make so many things, you start and think, I like how Amanda did that, but maybe what if we did this? Or maybe you could combine some of my ideas together. So it's going to be an epic masterclass where you end up with a big book of ideas, reference journal to keep in your crafty space to help you along making your journals. You'll be able to flick through it and it'll be packed full of ideas. Okay, so if you're one of my Ko-fi members already, make sure you are following the feed over on Ko-fi. You should get email notifications if you clicked to allow them. If not, make sure you're looking regularly on my feed, and the videos will come up with the locked symbol. That means they're private for members only. Okay, and as I say, if it's something that you fancy, over on my Ko-fi, not only is it a huge library of digital downloads, hundreds, probably thousands and thousands of pages at your disposal. It's a library. You're also going to get these fantastic masterclasses, and when I've done this one, I'll start something else. So you're also, you're going to get not just items, not just what I'm doing on YouTube, showing you month on month how to make the themed journals, but also extra videos to help you with your creativity, because I'm passionate about it. I never stop thinking about making, and never stop thinking about what I can do and what I can share and what I can do to help you with your creating. So there you go. If you want to join me, the link to my Ko-fi is in the description box below. Ko-fi members, make sure you're watching out. We're going to start midweek making the base of the journal, and then the masterclass videos will start next Saturday. We're going to have awesome fun. It's going to be lovely, relaxed crafting, and I can't wait to share my ideas with you, to give you a big book of ideas. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.